In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, I will show you guys step by step which affiliate links I was promoting. For people who already watched my videos, I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting if you want to earn some commission. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will share with you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing business, step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end because you don't want to miss this free information that I will share in this video. Okay, so I started this business from December 2021. Okay, until today I'm still promoting affiliate links and I'm still getting commission. And as you can see over here in my balance, I have $5,125 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and I will get more commission in next few days for sure because I'm still promoting affiliate links on social media using free traffic. Okay, anyways, so for people who are new and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, you need to go to Google. Okay, so first go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you need to do next, just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Then scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy. As you can see, anyone can sign up. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and you need to search for this website. Search for Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links for free. Okay, using free traffic. Search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Pinterest, it's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. And make sure to open business account. Okay, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Okay, so why I choose Pinterest? So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors per month. Okay, that's a big number. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest. That's what I do. Okay, millions of people every single day are using Pinterest to search for specific products and services. Okay, so much traffic. So anyways, so after you finish, go back to your Fiverr homepage like this. Okay, so just go back to Fiverr homepage. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so now I will share with you guys which affiliate link I was promoting on Pinterest to get a lot of commission. Okay, I was promoting a lot of affiliate links and this is one of my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting. Okay, click on the search for Facebook ads. Okay, search for Facebook ads because a lot of people are using Pinterest to promote their products and get more sales. A lot of people, so for example, people who has Etsy stores, they are using Pinterest to promote products. Okay, people who has Amazon stores, they are using Pinterest to promote products. People who has eBay stores, they are also using Pinterest to promote their products. Those people who are searching for uh, more sales and get more sales and increase sales, those people will be interested to buy this service, Facebook ads. Okay, to promote their products and get more, make more money. Okay, so what you will do, You will search for Facebook ads, you will scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so let's see if we can find good sellers here. We have a lot of good sellers, of course, as you can see. So for example, this one is looking really good. Like this one, top rated seller, he has 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. I will check this one. Okay, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. So what you need to do next is just copy his profile link, okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, click on his picture and upload this picture to your laptop. Double click, save image. It's super easy. Okay, save image, and I'm gonna name it Facebook ads like this. I will go to Pinterest and I will click over here on and upload this picture. Okay, this is my picture about my service. Open, and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded like this. Scroll down, you need to put title and description. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr and copy his title. Okay, like this. Go to Pinterest and put this title over here. Description, go back to the seller profile page, scroll down. About this gig, this is his description. Okay, so I will copy this part. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this part, this description here. Scroll down, we need to put our affiliate link here. Let's go to Fiverr affiliate link, Fiverr affiliate account, and copy your affiliate link from here. Go to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here, click on choose a board, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I already have a lot. I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags, okay, keywords. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you should see related tags. Okay, so use those keywords, are very important. Okay, those keywords for beginners who just started, you should use those keyword tags. They are very important, okay, to get traffic to your Pinterest account. Okay, so people can find this service on Pinterest. Make sure to use all those keywords. Okay, so just copy and paste. It's simple and easy. Paste. Let's go and let's add this one, and that's it. Okay, after you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. Okay, this is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title and your description. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. This is my method that I use. I don't use just Pinterest. I use YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Quora, and so much more. Make sure to, so feel free to check my YouTube videos. Feel free to check my YouTube channel. I uploaded a lot of videos. I'm sharing free methods that you can use to promote affiliate links using free traffic to get commission. Okay, and you just need to stay consistent. Start promoting affiliate links every single day, and you will earn commission. If you stay consistent, you will be successful in this affiliate marketing business. It needs consistency, a lot of work, hard work, and a lot of and patience, and keep so just keep promoting affiliate links. Choose Well, of course, you need to choose a good affiliate links and good services that people are searching for. Feel free to check my other videos. Like I said, I share everything for free, my method for free. So feel free and go and just copy and paste, and you will make money with Fiverr affiliates, with affiliate marketing, with any affiliate marketing program business that you want. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.